Welcome. So today we would be talking about the analysis of 4 December 2019 paper for your NTA examination. Now this time, as previous sets, you had similar questions which were related to DI. The questions on reading comprehension, as the pattern has been showing, had been a little confusing. They were not direct questions that were there. This time Indian logic was very important, so a lot of questions from Indian logic. Now those were in the form of questions related to hetu. The previous sets had the questions related to fallacies, that was Western logic. Now as we have covered through our evening classes, we have covered the differences between the Western logic and the Indian logic, the 3-membered syllogism and the 5-membered syllogism as in the case of Indian logic. So here again, since Indian logic was a focus, you had also another question which was based on the 5-member syllogism, and that was pertaining to the Pratinja, Hetu, Udharan, Upnayan, and also the questions related to the sections on environment were very predictive. In case of environment, you had question related to Montreal Protocol. Now since it's Montreal Protocol this time, probably it's Kyoto Protocol the next time, so be prepared with all the protocols. And as always, I again remind you, the 30 environmental conventions, the class that we have covered, is very important. Make sure that you cover that class on completeness. Questions related to sustainable development have been important across the sets, so prepare well. The topics on sustainable development goals, millennium development goals, those are very important. The relevant links and the important topics for those who are appearing now are available in the description below, so just go ahead and check out the description. And definitely those who are done with your examination and feel you were able to do pretty well, we do have opportunities for you, so you can apply at admin@examrace.com for the work opportunities with Examrace. Have a wonderful day ahead.